What is up, YouTube? How's everybody doing today? Currently, I'm in my garage right now building something very special for you guys. If you guys come right here and look, I'm building the pulley system, also known as a wench. You pretty much put a rope in here, drag the rope out, turn this bad boy on, rev it, and it pulls you. It's gonna be mostly for snowboarding, but we'll do like skateboarding and stuff. But I'm building this frame around it so the rope doesn't like fly off the rim and get all caught up. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do right now. So enjoy this time lapse. Me building this thing. Let's get it! Alright guys, we just finished this awesome contraption, the pulley. It is looking real sketchy, but it works. But yeah, I kind of explained to you guys what I did with this. So I built this frame around the bike because the rope kept falling off into the chain and off the sides and just getting caught up. So I built these walls right here so that wouldn't happen. And then I built this frame right here so the rope would just go in under there. I put these stakes on it so it sits on the ground, like above the ground. But yeah, let's hook some rope up to this and send it. See you guys in the video.